restless. This city is relentless. It wears me down and leaves me dry. I could use some water, somewhere that I can wander, where I can finally see the sky. All the noise and all the chaos.
Right now we are at Hotel Brewing Company. Molly and I have been drinking their hazy IPAs for the past couple years now. And we're just with Aimless right now.
No pavement, no concrete, just leaves in my heart.
Just having a good time right now, and just catching up for what, the past few days we weren't together.
Buildings into mountains, streams instead of fountains.
Myself, Shelby, and David have all finished their drinks, but this one with the blogger hat. No, I got a lot of jokes.
No, he does not like this hat. I talked to you about this.
I said
You, me, and Elena had this whole conversation about how our guys didn't like hats on us, especially this type.
I just feel like they're trying to be something that they're not. And my girl doesn't need to wear hats to look good. My girl has the best hair on the planet. She looks great, she looks beautiful, but blogger, you know, like, when's your next argument feed? I love her so much.
I only want to hear the sound of the earth. I only want to feel the ground underneath. No pavement, no concrete, just leaves in my heartbeat. I only want to hear the sound of the earth.
More of like some ginger flavor to it. It's got 2 different types of peppers, and it also has cucumber, tomato, onion. And then the hibiscus is still savory. Don't be deceived.
Oh, okay. So which one is you recommend?
But that one has shaved radishes and avocado crema on bottom. Also served in serrano.
Oh, I wish I could give her something. Yeah.
Flying, I ain't lying. Work on them, no I'm dying. Last year feeling like last week. I don't know what time it is, don't ask me. Hear the bell ringing, bitch, I'm fucking classy. Uber black, back to the city in the backseat. Yeah. Boy from the back street, oh, you already know. I cut the line for my bitch, and she tryna hit a mix. Yeah, she tryna hit a duo. I'm tryna hit a chill. And one hit the Frito, and I'm done with it. Tell her roll another wine, cause I'm blind with it, yeah.
Waking up, I can feel the tired eyes. I can never say enough about the time it flies.
Where are we at, honey?
Edelweiss.
In Colorado Springs.
Colorado Springs.
It's a German restaurant.
Yeah, we're getting our German food on today. Where we're from in Austin, there's a town out west, about an hour west, called Fredericksburg. I think that's the last time that we had some authentic German food.
Or New Braunfels.
Or New Braunfels, yeah, that's about an hour south of Austin too as well, Germantown. But yeah, right now we're having pretzel with beer cheese and honey mustard. I have a dark, this one's called a Schneider Weiss Aventinus, and then I don't know what hers is, but some type of Weizen. And I think she's enjoying it from the looks of it, maybe.
Oh, it's very tasty. We ended up bringing the dog with us because
It's too hot.
it is supposed to be 94 today in Colorado Springs, and it's way too hot to keep them in the van.
Flies by, flies by, flies by, flies by, flies by, flies by, flies by.
Some liquor fill up people's stein. Life's a bitch, but I'm still keeping mine. I talk about all the shit that they talk about too, yeah. That's what I do, yeah. I ain't nothing new, yeah. Never the red pill, give me the blue.
Purposely making themselves sound bad. Let's hear what you say. Yeah, get my content. David's still going. How do you feel after 50?
Feeling good.
Yeah?
Actually, not as out of breath as I thought I was going to be.
Yeah,
I was more out of breath on the other one.
Yeah, that was a little bit of a hike.
About the time it flies, flies by, flies by, flies by, flies by, it flies by, flies by, flies by, flies by.
Well, today we actually finally said goodbye to Shelby and David. Of course, it's not a forever goodbye. They're just going back to Jersey, where they're from, to visit family for a month and a half or so. And we are carrying on and heading back towards the west/north. We're making our way through northwestern Colorado versus driving through versus going through Denver and then up through like Cheyenne and cutting across Wyoming. We're gonna take the top of Colorado over to kind of like Flaming Gorge area and then go north into Wyoming from there. But we're going through a little bit of some stormy weather. So Tucky hates it. So he has his thunder shirt on. As long as he can't see what's going on, he's good. He doesn't shake, he doesn't pant. But the second I take this blanket off his head, all hell breaks loose.
It's bad.
But we definitely are going to miss Shelby and David. We've been traveling with them for over a month now, which is crazy to think about.
It's gone by so fast.
But it's gone by so quick and it's been so much fun. But we're definitely eager to see them again on the road soon. Tucky is hunting for a prairie dog. He's like, I hear it. It's in here.
Easy breathing
Oh, it's in here somewhere.
in your atmosphere.
Do you see it? Huh? You see it? Go check the other hole. Check this one. Over here. Over here. Check this one. It's in here? Where is it? He hears it.
This man. Look at this man. He just threw that rock. Look at
Stop. Hold on. Obviously, we're not gonna let him get the prairie dog. That is his life goal, to eventually get a squirrel, but Tucker is so tender and scared of literally flies, I don't think he would even kill it. I think he'd be like, oh, okay, this is what it is. Okay, bye. But he's obviously having fun, so I'm not gonna ruin it.
Now I'm way up here, oh,
4th Street, then turn right on Hadley Street.
could I?
We just got to Steamboat Street. Steamboat Springs. We just got here. Went through a little bit of a sketchy mountain pass because the storm was over it. So we were like driving through the clouds and you couldn't really see for like 5 minutes. So that wasn't fun because you're going around these curves, but we made it in one piece. The dogs know we're about to go hit the town. Look at them just assuming their positions. They love their red pillows. These are the best purchase we've probably gotten for the van. It's Target's linen collection line. They're so comfortable. But excuse the messy bed. Our little command screw thing broke off, so the mirror fell. This is our second mirror, by the way, because the other one broke. This is our third command strip thing, because the other one broke. We tried screws. Those didn't work.
Things break when you're on the road. So we're about almost approximately 2 months into van travel, and there are a few things that do need to be fixed. We need to reassemble this.
Yeah, we're getting a nice
cabinet,
little gap there. It's starting to droop.
replace the now 4th command strip.
Yeah, because screws just aren't going to work.
Hopefully that mirror's not broke. We're still in good shape. Date night again, Steamboat, Colorado. Just got here about 30 minutes ago. Good morning, everybody. Molly and I just woke up a couple hours ago and we just took the dogs on a walk to the local farmers market here in Steamboat, Colorado. We got here last night and Molly right now is doing some film editing, and I'm gonna go around and get some more shots of the town. Maybe do a little shopping, maybe get a little bit of snacks, who knows? Okay, so we're sitting in Steamboat at this park all day, and it's a rainy day, and it was kind of nice just to sit inside and relax. I don't know, I feel like both of us almost got like cabin fever. We've been in mountain towns a lot, and in civilization a lot, and kind of feel a little disconnected from nature, which is why we're doing what we're doing. And we just got a little stir crazy, and so we decided to pack up and leave, and we came like 20 minutes outside Steamboat into National Forest, and both of our spirits are much happier. It's funny how nature will do that. Yeah. Definitely a lot of studies on how healthy being out in the woods or out in the mountains, out near a body of water, a desert, just pretty much being outside and just charging up from the sun is can do a lot for your mood and a lot towards your attitude toward yourself and towards others. I think we're going to Idaho. We were gonna go to Wyoming, and we've been saying we're gonna go to Wyoming, but for the longest time, the entire build, all we talked about was going to the West Coast. And here we are, literally almost 2 months into traveling, and we've only done Utah and Colorado, which we are so happy with. We've enjoyed every single moment in each state. We've feel like we've seen so much, and we've made really deep and meaningful connections. But we are also ready just to be by a beach. But right now, as far as the heat wave coming in from the north and making its way down south, it's time to start making our way towards the Pacific Northwest. And I think tomorrow, after the early morning when she gets the video uploaded, we're gonna probably do a 4 to 6 hour drive, and 6 hours can get us right through Utah and right into the border of Idaho. And I think that'd be a great jump for us before we get into Washington.
Well, we've officially driven through 4 states today. Started in Colorado, drove through the corner of Utah into Wyoming, and we just entered Idaho. And where we are staying tonight is called Palisade Reservoir, which is on the primarily Idaho, and a little bit on the Wyoming border, about 45 minutes southwest of Jackson Hole. So we're gonna stay there for a day or 2 and just enjoy our time. We are cranking out like 7-hour drive today, which is not typical for us. Typically we do like
3 hours max.
But we were just so ready for a change of scenery and to be in another state that we haven't been to. So we're cranking out some time in the van because, you know, why not? Dogs have been so good. They're gonna get big treats tonight. And now we're officially in Ohio.
Ohio, yeah.
Or Idaho. That's all I'll say.
It's all the same.
Got our rock star dad over here that's pushing 6.5 hours of driving today. And not a little peep out of him. He's been such a trooper. Finally, after a very, very long road trip, we are coming up on our destination. That is Palisade Reservoir, right there. I'll show you more as we get closer.
We are the gangsters of paradise. Our hearts are pure and our love is blind. We are the kids of the sun. We got the light. Those summer nights, we had it right. We got what you want. We are the kids of the sun. We are the kids of the sun.
Daddy, you cheated!
We are the kids of the